The dance of cosmic energy, symbolized in Indian mythology by Nataraj, the king of dances. For the modern physicists, it is the dance of subatomic matter, whose energy flows through the universe. The earliest man tapped this energy for his survival and has transformed the surface of the globe. The wonders of petroleum were known to many cultures. Marco Polo described the burning gases of Azerbaijan. The seepages at Havana were used to caulk ships. Bitumen was used by the Aztecs. The asphalt lake in Trinidad was a natural wonder. Pennsylvania. Oil was discovered here while searching for farming land. Dig Boy in Assam became famous for India's first oil strike, heralding the growth of the Indian hydrocarbon industry. From an industry controlled by international oil companies at the time of independence, oil became part of Nehru's vision of core sector development. Oil is of vast importance in the world today, and a country that does not have its own oil is in a weak position. Various upstream, midstream, and downstream companies were set up. Discovery of oil in significant quantities in Bombay High opened new avenues of oil exploration. Petroleum sector reforms attracted investments and technology globally, and many private players emerged. The new exploration licensing policy, NELP, changed the face of exploration activities in India with a dramatic increase in the number of discoveries by public and private players. Gas became a new growth area with setting up of transportation, processing and marketing of natural gas and natural gas liquids. The discovery of natural gas in the Krishna-Godavari basin, one of the major discoveries in the world. With the number of LNG terminals and a pipeline network, the LNG infrastructure in India is growing from strength to strength. Significant expansion to its refining capacity since independence has transformed the energy landscape, creating surplus capacity, and the new ongoing refinery projects will further enhance India's refining capacity. India is also exporting finished products to many countries like the USA, Europe, Africa, and Singapore. A vast pipeline network and a countrywide marketing infrastructure forms the strong backbone of the hydrocarbon infrastructure in India. India's position as a net importer of oil and gas is likely to remain, and the need of the day is to continue with the quest for various sources of supply as well as explore other energy options. 6 decades later, India is witness to an unprecedented transformation across the Indian hydrocarbon industry landscape. Today, man's energy story is poised at a new threshold. It's a race for alternatives, for eco-friendly, viable energy sources. And it's time for solutions. The time to take urgent action is here. The hydrocarbon industry, poised to find a sustainable and effective alternative for growth, but the industry today is confronted with a host of questions.
How is the petroleum industry going to make the future more brighter and secure?
Can we bring energy through renewables?
Isn't it time to generate radical thoughts and collective innovative thinking to provide solutions for sustained growth?
With business as usual, the carbon emissions growing every day, restricting planet growth, how do we plan to deal with this all?
My dream is to have an Airbus which has solar cells and is able to run on this. Do you think this is possible?
How successful is the industry going to be in fulfilling the aspirations of the generation next? The hydrocarbons have served mankind extremely well for more than a century. We need to improve upon our technologies to explore and recover oil in more efficient manner. At the same time, we have to look for alternative sources of energy.
As a scientist, we are sensitive that no development can happen without sustainability at its core.
New perspectives and new insights to discuss, ideate, innovate, and recommend great solutions. Welcome to PetroTech 2012. Hydrocarbon and beyond, changing landscape. A hope for a new sunrise, because every beginning starts with a question.